Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to record a Zoom call on your Android phone with sound. So guys, as you can see, I'm already doing this. It's very easy. You just need to basically open up your video recording application. So for example, as you can see, this right here, my screen recorder. So if you want to record both your sound and your microphone, it's actually not available in this application, but if you record your microphone, the microphone will actually pick up the system sounds as well. So this isn't really that bad. And basically, as you can see, we can adjust the various settings. You can choose the resolution, video quality, orientation. I, of course, recommend leaving it at portrait. And the most important is the sound source. This is where you want to set it, of course, to microphone so that you have both yourself and the people that are in your call. And also, guys, I will show you another application that is very cool that does the same thing, but it supports both microphone sounds recording and system sounds at the same time. Let me show you. Okay, friends, so the app I was talking about is X Recorder. So let me just allow these things, allow all. So guys, as you can see, this is the application for video recording, of course, as well. And as you can see in the audio settings, if we click on that, we have, as you can see on the top, we can record internal and the microphone at the same time. We need to allow the usage of your microphone. Basically, it's very easy. And with this application, you can record both your sound and your system sounds, basically the microphone and system sounds, and you will hear both yourself and the participants from your call as well. And we have various settings as well, like for example, you can set the quality, frame rates, you can determine the save location. And as you can see, yeah, it's a very handy app. Just remember it's called X Recorder. You can download it from the Play Store. Right, guys, so this is how you record your calls in the Zoom application on Android. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.